Outlook. Particularly, we shall be guiding you through the process of how to seamlessly connect your Gmail account to your Outlook. Let's get started. Initially, we need to unlock the IMAP feature in your Gmail settings. This can be done simply by logging into your Gmail account by a chosen web browser. Once in, locate and select the settings gear symbol situated in the top right corner. And from the drop-down menu, pick Settings. The next step onwards leads you to the Forwarding and Pop IMAP tab, within which you'll find and select Enable IMAP. Feel free to adjust any other settings as per your needs. Remember to hit the Save Changes button situated at the bottom to make sure all your changes are saved. Now let's move the focus to Outlook. Launch the application, navigate to the File tab. From there, go to Account Settings. And finally click on Account Settings. Once the new window pops up, select New and fill out the fields with your Gmail address and respective password. You've successfully set up your Gmail account through the Microsoft Outlook. It's as simple as that. Thank you for sticking with us throughout this tutorial. We hope you found it helpful. Until next time. Thank you for watching.